Hi, I am a mid-career professional and I want to learn about AI. I want to grow with AI. Can you please help me with understanding how do I build my confidence in using AI and in saying that I'm up to speed with whatever AI is having these days? Hello, friends. Welcome to Wiser You at Work with Atrakshit. But if you are also a mid-career professional who has a similar question that how do you develop your confidence in using AI, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be looking at why is it important and what are the steps that you can take and things that you can do to get yourself more well acquainted with AI. First and foremost, let's understand the importance. In today's world, AI is developing at a rapid pace. It's no longer something that you learn once and stays with you forever. Every 2 3 months, something new is coming up. AI is becoming faster, better, more advanced, and there are more and more use cases of where you can go ahead and apply this AI. Hence, it becomes critically important for you to not only be aware of what AI is, how it can be used, but to constantly keep on updating yourself with the changes and developments that are happening in AI, because that is what is going to secure your future and keep your job secured in the years to come. Now, before we delve into what is it that you can do to have more confidence in AI, if you have not subscribed to the channel so far, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you are able to watch such excellent videos in the future as well. Now, let's jump into what is it that you can do. First and foremost, start with one real case scenario that you want to solve. Now, I do see people who want to learn, they just go ahead and they start learning courses and they learn the basic course, the intermediate course, advanced course. Trust me, the amount of data, information, and courses available about AI is almost infinite. Like most of the other topics where you start reading, put in some time, start understanding, start doing courses, and at a certain point of time you are an expert in it. In AI it's not that easy. There's too much to learn, and that also keeps on changing every day. So if you want to develop confidence in AI, don't take the traditional approach and start thinking I'll start with the basics course and continue doing it. Of course, you can do a basic course to understand the terminology and different aspects of AI. However, if you want to build confidence, the first thing you should be doing is pick up one real life problem that you want to solve with the help of AI and then do research on how do you go about solving it. For example, let's say you want to write emails or you want to summarize some documents, or let's say your job involves creating reports or something like that. Pick up any one of these areas and try to find out how can you use AI in doing it. Now, it could be either through YouTube videos, or you could ask the generative models like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or any of these things in itself that how can it help you to go ahead and create these things, right? Always good to learn the basics of Gen AI, a little bit about prompting, and then directly jump into picking up a use case and seeing how you can practically apply it and solve that particular problem of yours. The next thing that you can do is create a safe zone, or what we call as a sandbox in technical terms, to be able to go ahead and play with what you are developing, right? Don't be under the impression that just because I've been able to do something once, now I will go and show it to the whole world. It's not that easy. What's more important is for you to have a safe space where you can experiment, where you can play, where you can try different prompts, so that you slowly develop your skill and your experience in how you can get things done with AI. Having a safe zone ensures that you are, somewhat at ease and with a relaxed mindset, not worrying about what this person will think, what that person will think, what my colleagues will say, what my boss will say. So it gives you the area to play like a child, to experiment, and that's how you are going to learn and grow. The next thing that you can do is when you start playing with AI and you start trying to automate the things that you're doing, learn new things, go ahead and create a wins file. This obviously applies to almost every area of your life, but can also be used in the AI space. That whatever you do, let's say today you picked up how do I write beautiful emails using AI, and you've learned that and you've created a few emails. Go ahead and put in the file that you've created that today I saved 30 minutes, which I would have spent in writing emails by writing email with the help of AI. Let's say if you're doing brainstorming or something of that sort, you can go ahead and say, rather than sitting and searching and thinking and spending an hour in doing that, I used AI and saved almost 30 minutes of my time in coming up with ideas for the following things. This basically helps you, to build your own confidence. Humans thrive on the successes that they have, and the more successes they have, the higher their confidence, and the more easy they find in doing and learning things in which they are already successful. So have a file where you keep records of all your successes. And the fourth and the most important thing is a shift in your mindset. Do not have a mindset of what if I fail. Get rid of the fear of failure and give way to your curiosity. The most successful people in AI currently are the people who have tinkered around with AI, who've played around with it, who've tried different prompts, who have watched different things, and slowly, as they begin understanding what works, what doesn't, how to get AI to do certain things, to stay away from certain mistakes, that's when they learn and they grow. So get out of the fearful mindset. I will fail, I will not be able to do it. I tried talking to ChatGPT, but it just doesn't understand what I want. Get away from the fearful mindset of failure and move towards curiosity. What if I ask it in this way around? What if I turn the words, use different words? What if I ask it in a different manner? Will I get a different output? How will it help me? Create a circle of friends where you can, safely go ahead and try out things and talk to each other and discuss things. Go ahead and try out all these methodologies, and I'm pretty sure it will help you gain a number of experiences and a different perspective in terms of AI, and will help you build your confidence. A similar question was also asked with one of my senior HR friends. She was basically stuck in terms of she had a lot of Gen Zs coming in, and they were pretty conversant with what all is going on and how it's working, and they had their own slang around it, and she was getting confused. So she reached out to me asking, "Hey, Atirakshit, what is it that I can do?" And I shared the same things with her, and 3 months down the line, she was pretty confident in terms of what she was trying to do and how it was helpful to her. Just tinkering around. She started with something basic like sending emails, and then how to plan out a learning curriculum, what would be the best way to increase engagements, and she started different prompts. And today she's doing quite good. So go ahead and try these things. I'm pretty hopeful that you will also taste success in gaining more and more confidence. If you have not liked the video so far, go ahead and like the video. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy watching the other videos as well. Not only this, but if you have a similar question that you want answer to, or you have certain success stories that you want to share, go ahead and drop me a line on the email ID given below. That's wiseryou@work@gmail.com, and I'll make sure that I pick up those questions and answer them for you in the coming videos. Also, if you have had your own experiences dabbling with AI, playing around with it, some successes, some failures, some challenges, go ahead and share with us in the comments so that others can also learn from you and we can start a healthy discussion right over here. I hope you like this video. I'll tag a couple of more videos over here and you can go ahead and watch those videos which answer equally critical and important questions. That's it from my side. Atirakshit signing off.